Oh my gosh. This box just landed and Winnie's already trying to take it from me. I'll take that. Hey bestie, this is Winnie. I'm Bloom, your new skate bestie, here to give you all the tips and tricks to get you comfortable on your roller skates. Welcome to Bloom's Room, the corner of YouTube where we'll talk all things roller skating, tips, tricks, and unboxings, and all the little silly stuff in between. And yes, you will be seeing more of my roommate Winnie here. She does not pay rent, by the way. She does have good taste in skates. Can I have a little personal space, please? Well, as you can see, Winnie is really excited to get this box open, so let's see what Impala sent us. Do we have a problem? I didn't think so. Okay, this is a big box. I'm not sure which way is up or down, but we'll figure it out. And now we'll lay it like this. Can you hand me the scissors at least? I think if we wait for you to do it, we'll be dead. Thanks, girl. Thanks for holding down the fort. Okay, I'm just gonna put this over on this side. Okay, you're getting real close again. I don't even know why you're so excited. Do you even have real feet? Anyway, let's get this box open. Originally, I was gonna be telling you about some updates and some new things I've got coming up, but the weather said otherwise. And to be honest, Winnie's been dying to open up this box anyway. Oh my gosh. It's pink paper. No, just kidding. But I do love pink paper. Anything pink is like my favorite. Actually, my second favorite color though. Can you guess what the first is? Maybe you can have a hint once we open up this box. Oh my God, Winnie, look in there, look. So cute. So Winnie says I should just go ahead and pull it out. It's a box. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. I love this color scheme and I cannot wait to wear these. Winnie, you want the first look? Can you let go of the box? So dramatic. Gotcha. You messed up your wig and everything. Oh my gosh, there is a personal message in here from Impala. And it's handwritten. Oh my goodness. Hope you're having an amazing day. We wanted to send some gear from our Tropicana collection. Enjoy, you deserve it. Be sure to tag us on socials at Impala Skate. Would love to hear what you think. So cute. Thank you very much for sending this. I am so excited to wear them because I always try to accessorize my skates and make the colors and make the color schemes, but these actually have everything already in there. The skate itself is my two favorite colors, and who doesn't love anything named Tropicana? Love the juice too. So thank you again, Impala. Let's take them out the box and look at them. A little skate ASMR for you. Oh, look at this beautiful skate. And the toe stop is pink too. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear these. I don't know about you, but I love the smell of brand new skates. The laces are the same colors. This is literally one of my dream skates. I do have many, and I do have many pairs of skates. Let's lace her up real quick. Maybe we can try some different lacing methods on these. But it's so cute. I don't even have to buy any extra accessories for these. They literally are the accessory themselves. Quick question. How do you lace your skates? Do you lace them based on comfort or style or both? I'm just a plain Jane, I guess. I like lace mine up normally. And luckily I don't have any issues where it's too tight at the toe or in the heel and I have to do the special lacing, but maybe we'll talk about that soon because everybody's feet are different. Hey, here she is in all her glory. One thing I will say I love about the Impala skates is that they're very stiff and they offer a lot of ankle support, which is great for beginners. Even the cushions are pink. I am in love. These are so cute. It's like I keep finding Easter eggs. Look inside of there, it's a little smiley thing. If you don't smile looking at these and wearing these, maybe go to therapy, because there's no way you can be sad wearing these. All right, we're gonna lace up this one. Way too cute. And let me just say, I have shopped around for skates for a very long time, and you're not going to find a cuter colorway than this, at least not without spending a pretty penny. Right out the box, I usually make adjustments to my skates, which include loosening up the wheels because they're usually a little tight when they do their quality checks before they put them in the box and they sell them. And then also loosening up the trucks and normally replacing the toe stops, but these are just entirely too cute for me to replace. So yeah, I'm going to be toe stopping it this time. And Miss Winnie here is just bugging me to put them on. So maybe I'll make her try them on. No, they're just too cute. You can't try these on, girl. They're mine. And I would go try them out today, but it's super rainy, which is why I'm inside anyway. So when I do try them on, I'm gonna let you know how they feel. But I have tried on Impala skates before, so I kind of already have an idea. They're pretty comfortable, and like I said, they have a stiff ankle support, which is very good for beginners. So if you're considering buying a pair of roller skates and you're not so sure if you're going to be super invested yet, Impala might be a good choice for you. I do have some other choices in my Amazon storefront as well, so make sure you check that out. I'll put the link in the description. Alright besties, that's it for this unboxing with my girl Winnie here. If you're into silly fun, behind the scenes skate secrets, and tips to help you go from shaky ankles to smooth glides, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Trust me, it's gonna be a roller coaster. That was super cringe, but whatever. It's still going in the video. High five! If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to give Winnie a thumbs up. We'll see you on the skate floor. A little stiff. See you next time, besties.